like this, do you think?
Yeah, probably.
I need to go up with him.
These clippers aren't very powerful.
I think you're gonna get an A plus.
But these won't cut his hair.
What gets him? I need to shave the cat.
He might not freak out if you're holding.
Okay, but
You know what about these pair of scissors?
a pair of scissors.
Yep.
Okay, John, that's enough. Don't cut his ear off.
Let's get out here in the grass.
Hold on, hold the cat.
We'll take turns. It's gonna take a long time.
I think I need to shave the cat too, because this is my thing. Hi, Butter.
He's looking pretty good right now.
Butter.
He's so friggin' fuzzy. Like an afro.
Except he's not black.
He's gonna be pretty mangy looking. Cut off his whiskers. No, don't. We used to do that. Remember that?
Yeah.
Might not want to say that in the video, John.
Oh, this thing tapes too. Your voice.
Yeah. Okay, I want you to hold the cat. I want you to get hair all over you.
Hold him down here, maybe.
Okay, I think I need to cut him too, since this is my thing.
Okay, give me a butter.
He's smoking in the middle. Okay. What?
We could go into business cutting cats, doing cats haircuts. You're not doing a very good job.
You're not holding them very well.
You could primp cats for people like Harry did with dogs.
Cat cuts.
Drive a catmobile. What? Get him down. Yeah.
Looking good.
A plus. Joe, you might get a better view over here.
Okay.
I think you're just filming the back of your head.
I was getting the cat in there pretty good.
Stop. Get him.
It's not very even.
It's not like a barber. It's just make sure he doesn't get too hot. We should have done this like,
When's it due, tomorrow?
yeah.
It is going to be 15 minutes long.
We're up to 5:32, not counting what we had earlier.
Slow down.
I think that this is going to be 15 minutes long without me slowing down because it's a pretty painstaking process. And somebody's beard trimmer sucks.
His hair's too fuzzy.
Jim Foster'd have trouble with him.
Yeah.
What the heck?
That looks pretty bad.
It's looking good.
Butter. There's gonna be some editing on here too. I might not show the whole thing.
It's hot today.
Yeah. This hair back here is hard to cut. Butter.
No, he needs a bath. When was the last time we gave him a bath?
Ever since you refused to do it after you marked eyebrows on him.
I recorded that.
You recorded him with eyebrows?
No, you talking.
Gonna need to take some off his tail too. Try not
So
to.
you got some skin right there, mate. No, you didn't. Get some around his butthole too.
Foot long. Who's got the foot long?
Butter. Get off of me. There we go. Butter. Maybe we should have tranquilized him.
Told you.
God, he's a fuzzy cat. Look at all that hair.
Butter, be a good kitty. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Settle down.
Settle down.
It's okay.
It's okay, Butter.
John, what time are we at?
11:53. Just about 12 minutes.
I don't think we need to get his belly, do we? We do?
Yeah, I think so.
Keep Butter.
Quit hitting yourself.
He likes it.
Hi, Butter. Hi. Your arm.
Don't stab me with them scissors.
When I do that,
Yeah.
$14.11.
1411.
Butter. Okay, why don't you try it for a minute?
Okay. That's probably enough.
Yeah, we're 16 minutes.
Shake him and get all that hair off of him.
Okay.
Quickly, John, give me my phone. I'll go take some pictures.